so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the June Target Beauty Box. So they posted the box on their website a little bit later than usual it seemed, but it shipped super fast. I feel like I just ordered this. So Target Beauty Boxes come out once a month, and it's not really a subscription box because you have to go online and purchase it each time. Sometimes they have multiple options. This month I believe they just had one for June. So yeah, you can go on, browse it, and see whether or not you want to get it. And yeah, it's $7. I have a Target Red card, so I save like some cents, you know. It's free shipping, and generally I think it's really worth it. I just checked like a half hour ago to see if this box I'm opening today was still available, and as of now it was, and it looks like their sunscreen box from last month that I missed out on is now on their website, so I'm thinking about buying that after I film. If you guys tried the sunscreen box, will you tell me if it was worth $7? I mean, it seems like it would be, but I want to know your thoughts. So yeah, today we're going to open this box and see, is it worth $7? Before we do so, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here in our channel. So if you love that, if you love subscription boxes, beauty, skincare, all of that, I would absolutely love it if you joined us and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But yeah, back to Target Beauty Box. So this is what it looks like this month. The boxes are really sturdy and you can reuse them if you so wish. I actually used the one from last month. It was like really cute summery theme, just to hold like my nail polishes that I was doing downstairs earlier. But so this box is called the Beauty Trendsetters box. So it has a little intro here, and then on the back it talks about the products. So every single month you get a $3 off coupon code, and this code could be used for beauty purchases of $15 or more at Target, and it doesn't expire until October 1st, so you have some time to use it. So you could use that $3 to, if you want to get a full size of anything in the box, or really anything on the Target website in the beauty department. So if you use that, it's really like your box is like $4. So I think that is great. So Beauty Trendsetters, from celebrity makeup artists to Instagram's hottest influencers, emerging brands are proving to be an industry fave, high quality and unique. It's no surprise why. So obviously we had to get in on the trend too. We tried and tested, and then again to handpick the under the radar products that are changing the beauty game. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full size versions at target.com/beautybox. So sneak peek of the items. How about we start with this one? Looks like we have a deodorant here. This is by pH Refresh, or Honestly pH Refresh Sea Mineral Prebiotic Deodorant. So this is a natural deodorant, meaning it's not made with any aluminum, it's hypoallergenic, and it's free of baking soda. So that's unique. So a lot of the natural deodorants I've tried, and I've tried like between 12 and 15 over the past year, almost all of them have baking soda in them, and a lot of people are really irritated by that. At first I thought I was, but it turned out to be essential oils. So let's see if it has that in there. So there is fragrance and some sage oil, but yeah, it doesn't seem too bad. So yeah, I've been on a journey to find a good natural deodorant, but disclaimer, natural deodorants are not necessary. So there's this whole like myth that aluminum can cause cancer, and there have been no scientific studies proving that to be accurate. So if you don't like natural deodorant, you tried it out, it just wasn't for you, or you got irritated or whatever, that's fine. Use your normal deodorant. You know, you don't have to be stinky or irritated. But for those that are just trying to use, you know, different deodorants, or you're just intrigued by the whole like natural aspect of it, I think that's cool they included this. So they don't have the full size pricing on here, but they do have a little bit of information. It says, thoughtfully formulated without baking soda, packed with prebiotics and magnesium for maintaining optimal pH levels and controlling odor up to 24 hours. It's fair trade certified and hypoallergenic. So I will try this out and let you guys know how it works out for me. There's only been one natural deodorant that's worked for me, and I love it, and I wear it every day, and I've talked about it in like weirdly a large amount of videos. It's by Xeon Health. You can get it for like $8 or $9 on Amazon. I'll link that down below if you want to check it out. This smells like earthy. I saw there's sage oil in it, so that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm excited to see how this works, and also to see if I get any irritation from it, because yeah, I'm still not positive, but I know baking soda can be the irritant. I don't know. But anyways, let's move on to the next item. looks like we have a dry conditioner. So like not a dry shampoo, a dry conditioner. I've heard of these before and tried them once. I had tried like the Amica one and I did like it. So this is by Waterless. It's supposed to give you soft, smooth feel without the weight. And it's paraben free and sulfate free. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Is the brand Waterless? But directions say shake well, spray into ends, and brush through. Yeah, Waterless is the brand name. So dry conditioner tames frizz and flyaways, moisturizes dry ends, and detangles messy hair, all without the use of water. So let's try it out. I did use dry shampoo today. I think I'm on like day 3, I don't know. I lose track. But I definitely used dry shampoo today. I was looking a little greasy. So I think with the conditioner, you definitely don't want to put on your roots like with the shampoo, the dry shampoo. You want to put more on your ends. It smells pretty good. Like kind of like berry scented. I mean, if anything, it's gonna make your hair smell better. But it doesn't feel like there's any actual product on it, like, which is a good thing, you know. It's not like sticky. I don't feel really anything, so it like is absorbed. But I don't know. I'll have to try this out more and see. But yeah, it smells really good. Next up, we have something by 10/10 Rose Polish Remover Biodegradable Cloths. Oh, so it's a nail polish remover. I will have to use that later because I really messed up my nails today. Acetone and paraben free, doesn't dry out your nails, use anytime, anywhere, no harsh odors, non-toxic. So you just get one cloth here. So that is what it looks like. If these work well, that would be great to get full size of. I do have some acetone nail polish remover that I used earlier today, and it does work really quick and efficiently, but I feel like it could dry out your nails a lot, and I don't like that. My nails are pretty damaged from using dip nail polish prior to this, my new nail journey, so I'm gonna try this out, and if it works well, I might have to get the full size from Target with my $3 coupon. So these are non-acetone nail polish remover wipes that make it easy to take off your polish, even on the go, and the subtle rosy fragrance leaves hands smelling yummy too. So nice, it doesn't have that acetone smell. I mean, I wouldn't expect it to because it doesn't have acetone, but that's nice. And next up, this is like pretty much what made me want to get this box, like without even looking at everything else. This is by Bausch & Lomb. Is that how you say that brand name? I don't know, but this is the Lumify eye drops. It's not full size, but I use these every day. I actually just like did a subscription on Amazon. You know how you can like get something automatically delivered every 1 to 2 months? I did that for the Lumify. They're $17 or $18, but you just need one drop, and it really does remove the redness out of your eyes and makes you look more awake. So this is just a sample. You get 0.013 fluid ounces. I believe in the full size you get 2.5 fluid ounces, but this is a good way to try it out to see if you do want to purchase it, because like I said, like $17 is a lot, you know, but it's efficient. So, oh yeah, this is really small. I think it's just one of those droppers, like one-time use. Like we had these like in the ER where I worked, because in the ER, like you only need to use things one time if the patient's not admitted yet, you know. I'm just rambling right now, but yeah, this is really great if you do suffer from redness in your eyes and the other eye drops haven't been working. These don't dry out your eyes. Like I know like the Visine eye drops that are redness reducing can be drying actually, and you don't want that, like, you know, to go with it, because a lot of times when your eyes are red, they're actually a little bit dry or irritated as well. So it says, from the eye care expert at Bausch & Lomb, Lumify significantly reduces redness to help eyes look whiter, brighter, and more radiant for up to 8 hours. Plus there's no bleach, no dyes, and they're FDA approved. Oh my god, do they bleach in some eye products? Not that I'm aware of, but that's scary. Tip, just drop into the eyes and voila. Wear contacts, take them out before using the drops, and wait 10 minutes before putting them back in. Next up, ooh, this is by Tanologist, Self Tan Drops in Medium. This is face and body drops, so this is definitely something I will probably pass on, either like include it in a giveaway or actually I'll probably just use it as like a little extra when someone orders something from my Mercari page, even though I know not everyone can use Self Tanner or needs to or wants to, but I just know it says medium, is there even a light self tanner? Because that's what I would need. I mean, I could totally benefit from it, but I'm fine with it. I accept my skin, you know. Face and body drops transform your skincare or makeup into custom-made self-tanner that will leave your complexion glowing. No sun necessary. So more drops equals a deeper tan, and you apply 1 to 12 drops of your favorite moisturizer and mix together or apply 1 to 12 drops to your favorite moisturizer. Then mix together in the palm of hands and apply it to skin, and then wash your hands after application. So I would start with the 1 drop, not 12, but I guess it depends on how deep you are. So I guess, yeah, since I've gotten something like this before, a full size though, and I never use it. I don't know, have you guys tried something like this? And like, what was your experience, especially if you're fair, any complexion? Let me know what you think about tanning drops. But yeah, let's move on. We have something by Ray, De-Stress, Calm Your Mind and Fight Mental Fatigue, a blend of L-tyrosine, GABA, and rhodiola rosea root. This is a dietary supplement, and they give you a 5-day supply. And on the back it says take 2 capsules daily. So like with any supplement, even if it's over the counter, I suggest always checking with your healthcare provider, either your physician or pharmacist, to make sure there's no like interactions with your medical conditions or with any of your medications. But if you're all clear, I'm excited to try something like this. If you guys weren't aware, if you can't tell by how I'm speaking, I do work in the medical field. I have my doctorate in pharmacy. So yeah, just glancing over this quick, I don't know anything about this rhodiola rosea root extract. To be honest, things like this are never studied or tested by the FDA, so we're not really taught this in school. But I know L-tyrosine is like one of the amino acids that could help, and GABA, again, yeah, that's naturally made in your body too, so yeah, I'll try it. I don't take any medications currently, but yeah, I'll have to look into this more. But if it can help, I know L-tyrosine, I've heard that before, it can help with anxiety and stuff, but if it can help mental fatigue, I mean, does it make you feel more awake while also calming you? That would be nice. And then the last thing in here, I've actually received this before, but I haven't used it yet. I have it like in one of my bags as like a in case I need it type thing. It's by Uni, it's their shower sheets. It's a large body wipe that instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. So yeah, if you can't like, or you don't have time for a shower, or like if you just like run to the gym, if people still do that, I guess gyms have opened, right? Or if you go for a run, then you have to do something right away, or it's just summertime, so you're outside and you get a little stinky, you can just refresh really easily with one of these wipes. So it says, no time, no shower, no worries. Tear open this oversized, super soft, moist wipe to instantly cleanse and refresh every inch of your skin. Perfect for on-the-go cleansing, travel, yoga, surfing, camping, hiking, and festival going. No one's going to festivals this summer, but you know, in the future, I'm sure you will. With naturally purifying neem extract, peppermint, and citrus, it's alcohol-free. And each biodegradable wipe is individually wrapped for freshness and portability. It's made with natural skin-loving ingredients, all natural aroma, tested on lucky humans, never on animals. Oh, good. It pretty much says the same thing on here, so I am happy to have this. I think this was a good box. So what are my favorite things? I think it's great we have like the sample of the eye drops, but I'm pretty sure it's just a one-time use. But this might be something I like put in my purse in case I'm on the go and I feel like I need them, along with the shower wipe. The dry conditioner, I mean, I don't know what it really did to my hair. Like if someone has frizzier hair than I do, like they would be able to speak on that, but it does make your hair smell good. And sometimes you just need a little refresh in that way. So yeah, I'm happy to have this. The deodorant I'll test out. And the nail polish remover I'm excited about as well. The tanning drops I'm not like, you know, pumped about. I don't even know if I'll keep. And you know, vitamins, I think it's okay. I would prefer actually to get like a multivitamin to try that out, but I'm willing to test this out and look into the ingredients more. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave them down below, and I'll let you know what I find. But yeah, that was everything, you guys. I think overall definitely worth $7, especially since now I have a $3 coupon to spend at Target, and I do spend a little bit of money at Target from time to time, so that will go to use. But anyways, I would love to know your thoughts down below. And again, let me know if you tried the SPF or like sunscreen box. And if so, or even if you didn't, would you guys like to see me unbox it even though it's like from last month? Because I might still get it either way, but I'll unbox it for you guys and tell you what I think about the sunscreens and stuff if you are interested. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!